welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, really simple, beautiful ham and mushroom pasta with a garlic tomato sauce. It's really easy, something you can sort of just whip up, you know, midweek or something like that. Very few ingredients, tastes great. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using for this. At the back there, we've got our cooked pasta of your choice. I'm using fusilli. You go ahead and use whatever you want. Next to that, we've got some tomato sauce. That's actually a passata. You can use just tinned tomatoes if you want, or one of those tomato sauces in a jar, up to you. There's like a can's worth, so there's like 400 ml there. One medium onion, teaspoon or so of oregano, about 150 grams, 200 grams of a ham. I'm using a nice smoked ham. You can use whichever ham you want. You could even use bacon for this if you wanted. 2 teaspoons, heaped teaspoons of chopped garlic, and about 100 grams of fresh sliced mushrooms. That's about it. We're going to start this off with a touch of olive oil, add a bit of salt and pepper. We're done. Okay, so we've got a little pan here, a little wok. It's got some olive oil in there. What we're going to do is we're going to drop in our onions first, along with the chopped garlic. We're going to get this moving. We're going to fry this around on above medium heat for about 3 minutes. If you were using bacon now, instead of ham, which I'm using, you would get your bacon in now to start it cooking. See you in a few minutes. Okay, as you can see, our onions are just changing colour. Still nice and crispy. At this point, let's get a little bit of salt in the mix. Be careful with salt, depending on what type of ham you're using, or bacon. Some black pepper, fairly generous for me. We're now going to add in our dried herb. That's that oregano, but you could be using something different, like just a basil or one of those kind of Italian mixed herb things. A touch of rosemary, thyme, up to you. Then go our fresh mushrooms. And again, on this fairly lively heat, let's go for about another 3 minutes. This is looking wonderful. At this point, we're now going to add in our ham. Like I said, I'm using a nice quality smoked ham. You can use whatever you want, really. Remaining on this heat, let's just throw this around. Obviously, the ham is cooked, so we just want to get some flavours onto it. Now you can think about adding some black or green olives into this as well if you wanted. We're now going to grab our tomato sauce of Passata. Like I said, this is like 400 ml. 400 ml is the same size as a regular can. We're going to lower the heat, not to simmer, above a simmer, and we're going to let this go now for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring every now and then. We're pretty much done. And there you go. What a wonderful, quick, easy, beautiful sauce we've got there. If you want a little bit of dried chili, bit of smoked paprika, something like that could work nicely if you want a little kick in there, or another flavour. Now with the pasta, I'm going to add our pasta in. So in goes our cooked pasta. This pasta is cold, so I'm going to heat it via the sauce in the pan. So we're going to be throwing this around for about 3 minutes. Actually, I'm just going to turn the heat up a little bit. And this is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Oh, and by the way, I'll leave some details below about the differences between canned tomatoes, passata, paste and puree. I've been asked that several times. So there'll be some details below. Anyway, see you soon. Lots of love.